All right, let's go check out this brand new listing. Come on. Hey everybody, and so welcome to Summer Chase. This is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Town Lake. The reason is affordability. Under $500,000 is difficult to find in Town Lake, at least a property with quality to it. What you're standing in here is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath that is listed at $438,000 and has plenty of updates, including a new roof and some awesome floors. Let's check it out. Okay, so over here what we have is the dining room. This is a great open space where you can fit a table for about 12 people in this particular space, and you'll notice the luxury vinyl planking that they've done on this main floor throughout. This is great to being water resistant, animal resistant, and a lot of high traffic. Let's check out the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. This is one of my favorite spaces in this particular house. It has several upgraded features to it. It has the Corian countertops. It has the subway tile backsplash. In addition to that, it has the farm style trough sink, which is very popular now. You'll also notice that they did a contrast of color from the lowers to the uppers as well. And this looks straight out into the eat-in kitchen area as well as the family room. Let's check it out. So right here, what you're gonna see is the eat-in kitchen. This is not a big area, but plenty of room for you to have a table for morning breakfast. Overlook the brand new rebuilt deck that looks over the backyard, which is a heavily wooded area, and it leads right into the family room where you have plenty of room to hang out and watch TV. Over here is going to be what we would call a formal living room. However, nobody uses formal living rooms anymore, so these are often converted either into workspaces or into what would be known as a sitting room. This particular one is an office. Let's take a look. So as you can see, this is set up as a workspace. This very well could be a formal sitting room with some chairs if you like to read or use this as an alternative function. So let's check out this upstairs. One of the great features of this particular property is they've redone the carpet in here. It has a lot of bounce to its step. Let's check out the master suite. So the master bedroom is large. It'll fit a king-size bed with plenty of space, and then this brings you into the master bathroom where you'll find the master closet. So this is the master bathroom. You'll notice that the floors from downstairs, the luxury vinyl planking, was carried through up here. Plus, the brand new carpet was also carried through inside the walk-in closet. It has a separate tub and shower as well as a water closet. So up here, you're gonna have a total of 4 bedrooms. The 3 extra bedrooms are gonna be here and here. You'll have a hall bath, a full bathroom to be able to be shared with these 3 rooms as well as upstairs laundry. That means from the master suite to the laundry is only a handful of steps. So the last part of the house we wanna take a look at is a finished basement. No house in Town Lake is complete unless it has a finished basement. This house definitely does. So let's check it out. The last feature on this main floor I want to point out is here's the half bath for use. So this is a completely finished basement, and this is where you're going to find the 5th bedroom. So this is the finished basement, which is being used as the 5th bedroom. It has a second method of egress, as well as its own private bathroom over here with a little kitchenette. So out here you can see that this is a very private lot on the backside here. We are in fall, so the leaves are starting to fall, but this deck has been freshly redone and is right off the main kitchen. This is a wonderful house being offered for $438,000. Contact us if you'd like more information. Thanks.